Madam, Metropolitan Transportation, Kolkata Metro is the only metro system under Indian Railways. I am therefore happy to share with the honourable members that following works announced by Mamata Banerjee in the previous budget is progressing very well. Madam, Joka Diamond Park Metro Extension, also leg of Joka, Manayak, Uttam Kuhar Metro Line is proposed to be taken up. Survey report of extension of railway line Barapur Kalyani is being finalized. Besides, the MMTC Phase 1 has already been commissioned and is providing excellent services to the people of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. To further augment rail transportation service in the twin cities of MMTC Phase 2 project announced in the last year budget has now been sanctioned after obtaining required clearance. Railways have also proposed to set up SPV with state government Andhra Pradesh for commercial management of this MMTC. While leaving the train operation with the railways, this will provide a required focus on flexibility. The work extension of MRTC from Velachery to St. Thomas Mount in Chennai is progressing smoothly, and I am hopeful of completing and commissioning this project in 2013. I am extremely happy to inform the August House Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation has successfully completed its flagship project MUTP Phase 1 costing rupees 4,500 crore with the cooperation of Government of Maharashtra and other stakeholders. Rail users in Mumbai have immensely benefited with the induction of 1,500 EMU coaches, thus increasing the carrying capacity by 35% and thereby reducing the congestion and overcrowding during peak hours. The work on MUTP Phase 2 at a cost of rupees 5,300 crore is also progressing well, and its completion will further boost the suburban transportation service of Mumbai. A roadmap of MUTP Phase 3 has been prepared for further strengthening augmentation of suburban rail structure, and MRVC would carry out feasibility study for construction of faster corridors on CSTM Panvel and Vihar Vasai Diva Panvel section through innovation financing. The proposed 72-kilometer link between Vihar Panvel, third line in PPP mode, will open new avenues development of northern Mumbai and facilitate commuters to transit between eastern and western part of the city. Feasibility of Spur Panvel and Navi Mumbai airports will also be examined. Madam, in order to address the transport needs of Navi Mumbai, I am happy to announce that work will be taken up to facilitate running of 12-car rakes in Harbour Line. A new double line work, Belpur Seawood Uran, is progress, which will provide direct passenger connectivity to JNPT. Elevated suburban corridors in Mumbai. The financial modelling of an elevated rail corridor from Churchgate to Vihar to be executed through PPP mode in coordination with the Government of Maharashtra is being firmed up. The proposed projects will enable induction of premium AC suburban rails. A feasibility study from a similar corridor between CST to Kalyan is also to be taken up in due course. I wish to highlight that investment outlined above in capacity augmentation projects would be grossly inadequate keeping in view the large self project. Therefore, in order to optimize utility availability resource and obtain returns at the earliest, it is proposed to prioritize funding towards completion of last mile projects and ensure sustained allocation during 12th plan.